Cortexi is a 360-degree hearing support formula that is endorsed by recent research in the area. The creator of the supplement is Jonathan Miller, who claims that it has helped many people in improving their hearing health. Hello viewers, I am Roy and today I am going to review of Cortexi supplement for hearing problem solution. Cortex offers a natural and holistic approach to improving hearing health and restoring cognitive function. As per the official website, this highly effective formula is available in the form of drops, comprising clinically proven ingredients that help alleviate symptoms of hearing loss, tinnitus, and ringing in the ears. Tinnitus can be caused by several factors and can lead to a range of negative outcomes, including depression, anxiety, trouble concentrating, and social isolation. Cortex, also known as Cortex hearing drops, is an all-natural supplement that may offer relief. Packed with multivitamins and organic ingredients, Cortexi's unique formula aims to nourish hair cells and improve cognitive abilities. With regular use, this hearing support supplement may help promote crystal-clear hearing and an enhanced overall auditory experience. According to its manufacturers, the Cortexi hearing support formula is made from around 20 natural ingredients which are carefully selected and ensured to be non-GMO. The supplement is guaranteed to aid in healthy hearing without noise and interference, and along with that increase mental sharpness and acuity. Does Cortexi supplement work effectively to treat tinnitus and improve hearing? According to the creator of the Cortexi dietary supplement, it targets to eliminate the root cause of hearing health issues and provide solutions accordingly. The formula is backed up by recent research conducted by NIH-funded scientists who were successful in reducing tinnitus in rats by rebooting their brains. Pros and cons of Cortexi tinnitus supplement. Pros of Cortexi to know. Made from natural ingredients which are clinically supported. Easy for usage as it comes in liquid form and can be added to any drink of choice. Made under FDA and GMP qualified facilities. Research-backed product. Ingredients are non-GMO and non-habit forming. Sharpens your hearing and mental acuity. Cons of Cortexi to know. The supplement is not recommended for children under 18 years old. Only available from the official Cortexi website for purchase. What real users saying about Cortexi? Many customers have already started using the Cortexi hearing support supplement and have testified to its multiple benefits. Most of these customers opined that the formula could help them in supporting their hearing health and increase their mental sharpness. Also, the Cortexi liquid supplement could help them in improving symptoms of hearing issues such as tinnitus. Benefits of Cortexi. Supports hearing. The ingredients present in Cortexi help to improve age-related hearing loss and treat hearing loss caused due to tinnitus and other related damages. Reduce tinnitus. Cortexi helps to reduce inflammation in the inner ear, which protects it from tinnitus and other ear damage. Relieves stress and anxiety. The ingredients in Cortexi contain adaptogens that help the body to manage and control stress and anxiety. Improves focus. Cortexi hearing support formula contains natural ingredients that stimulate cognitive functions. This helps to improve focus and mental acuity. Boosts blood flow. Some of the ingredients in Cortexi help to increase the blood flow in the ears. Healthy ear function can be retained by stimulating blood circulation in the body. How to take Cortexi drops? It is suggested that you can take a dropper of the Cortexi liquid formula in the morning before breakfast and another dropper before lunch. All you need to do is to place the dropper beneath your tongue or mix the drop with water or natural juice. What is the price of the Cortexi supplement? Cortexi is reasonably priced compared to other supplements available in the market. The quality and the potential advantages provided by each ingredient make it worth an investment. The following is the price list of Cortexi. 1 bottle of Cortexi, 30 days, $69 plus shipping charge. 3 bottles of Cortexi, 90 days, $177 plus free U.S. shipping. 6 bottles of Cortexi, 180 days, $294 plus free U.S. shipping. As an extra incentive, 3 and 6 bottle options also include 2 bonus reports compiled to address here like a pro and powerful ways to sharpen your memory. Cortexi comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied with the supplement or its results, you can return the supplement within 60 days of the purchase date by calling or dropping an email to their customer support team. After analyzing the review of Cortexi dietary supplement, the supplement is a legit and research-backed hearing health supplement. Cortexi dietary formula is created based on recent findings that provide solutions to hearing health issues such as tinnitus. It makes use of natural ingredients which are carefully selected and purported for their quality. So friends, after watching this review video of Cortexi dietary supplement, if you buy it and get discount offer, so buy only from official website. Thank you for watching.